I'm nervous. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are cutting my hair. I thought this would be a fun little video to film. I was just gonna do it all by myself, and then I said, hey, why don't you film this? It'd be entertaining. Because if I royally fuck it up, then that would suck, which it could totally happen. So we'll see. I've decided that I'm gonna cut my hair, my own hair, into a V shape. I'm a little bit nervous. Pretty confident that I can do it. Been growing my hair out for a while. It's quite long, actually, at this point. So a little bit of a disclaimer first. I am not a professional. I am not telling you to go and cut your own hair. I'm only doing this for entertainment purposes only. If you want to try this all on your own, do it at your own risk. If you mess up your hair, you're gonna have to go to a salon to get it fixed, obviously. I am gonna use hair cutting scissors, a comb, and a hair tie. This haircut should be pretty easy. It's only in 2 sections, really. So I'm just gonna go ahead, keep this intro very short because you don't need to hear me blab. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair and I'll be right back. Let's get rolling on this. I'm going to section the top off. Classy. Ready to start cutting. So you're only going to take 2 sections. 1, 2. This is what postpartum does to you. I'm going to take forward diagonal sections like so. I'm nervous. So I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to comb it like this. Take it a little bit high so that I get a more dramatic line in the back. So you want to take it parallel to the face like this, and I'm going to go right. I'm always going to try to make sure that this finger is in my line of sight directly so that I can keep my guide. Oh god. So my first little piece will fall right about here. I'm nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I had to take a little bit of a breather off camera there. I'm not sure if I'm ready. Oh man, why is it so hard? It's just hair. It grows back. First cut. Oh my god. I just did it. Okay. We're gonna keep going down the head here. Oh boy. Okay, next part. Once the first cut's done, it's easier. At least you'd think. Actually looks kind of cute so far. Still really nervous. So basically we're just having a stationary guide and you are combing all of the hair forward to that stationary guide that we cut. Doing this by yourself is really hard. Guide. The back is done, you guys. Hopefully it's even. I can't even see it. It actually doesn't even look that different. which is crazy. It does in the front though. It looks nice there. What you're gonna want to do is put this hair back into a ponytail so you don't get it mixed up. What I want to do is take the shortest piece from a side, and you're gonna wanna take this short piece from the side, and you're gonna wanna measure how far. And basically what you're gonna do, you're actually gonna take it forward. That's that much hair, oh my god. That's a lot of hair. That's so much hair.
Oh my god.
We're gonna blow dry and then we're gonna do the detail work. Well guys, this is the haircut and I'm actually really impressed with it. It looks so nice and we're not even done yet, but this is what the front looks like. And the back may not be like as pointed as I'd like, but you know, this will do. So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna do some detail work real quick. So we're gonna take a vertical section in the front, like so, and we're gonna soften. You can see how blunt these are, right? So what we wanna do is we wanna take them at the same kind of elevation that we were at when I cut them. And what you wanna do is you just wanna kind of point cut them, like this. And just soften them. We're not changing the length or anything. Guys, she's done. That is the finished product. Didn't lose much length at all. Well guys, thanks for watching and following me on this exciting journey of cutting my hair by myself. I had a lot of fun and definitely love this haircut. I'm digging how light it is but still how long it is. I love this. This is just so perfect. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more from me. Okay, bye guys.